So good morning everyone, I am Trixie Macy Ponce and I am the one assigned to report or to discuss about Ministry of Food and Drug Safety on how they assess and evaluate their food safety management. So let's start. How does MFDS assess and evaluate their food safety management system? So the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety established a food safety management system to provide safer food. Domestic foods are managed through 3 stages, which are manufacturing, distribution, and consumption. So in the manufacturing, we have food manufacturing and item manufacturing report. So this is a person who seeks to manufacture or process foods or food additives must submit an item manufacturing report to the relevant local government prior to or within 7 days of production initiation. Second is self-quality inspection system. This is to secure food safety prior to distribution. A business operator that manufactures or processes foods must conduct regular inspections to confirm whether the manufactured or processed foods comply with relevant standards and regulations. Third is the HACCP or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point system. So this is a system that checks, assesses, and focuses management on harmful elements that may occur from raw materials to the manufacturing, processing, cooking, and distributing process of foods. This is also to strengthen the level of safety in food production and manufacturing. And so, MFDS pushed for mandatory application of HACCP. Next is distribution. So first we have the collection and inspection of distributed foods. So this is to prevent harm from food and to ensure sanitary management. Food products distributed and used for sales purposes in businesses are collected and tested for compliance with standards defined by codex and etc. So the products that do not meet the food safety standards are promptly recalled or seized and disposed of. Next is the food traceability. So MFDS established and operates the food traceability system to take measures such as cost analysis, tracking, and recalls when hazards occur in foods or in health functional food products, and also to provide more accurate information to consumers. Lastly, in the distribution, we have hazardous food sales prevention system. So MFDS operates this hazardous food sales prevention system, which enables MFDS to prevent consumers from purchasing the reported products by sending out the information on hazardous products in real time. Lastly, we have the consumption. First, we have monitoring of false or exaggerated advertising. So all advertisement media, including the internet, broadcasts, newspapers, magazines, and other printed materials, are monitored to prevent consumer damage from false or exaggerated advertisements indicating that certain food products have therapeutic effects or making consumers confuse products as medicine. The last is Consumer Food Sanitation Guard System. This is operated to promote consumers' active participation in food sanitation monitoring to complement the monitoring activities of the administrative body and to secure higher transparency in food sanitation monitoring activities. That would be all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something about the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety and how they assess and evaluate their food safety management system.